Hey Ben Stokes.
Congratulations, Katarina Johnson-Thompson.
Congratulations, Alan Wynne-Jones.
Raheem Sterling, you are an absolute legend.
Lewis Hamilton, you have been nominated.
Dina Asher-Smith, you are nominated for the BBC Sports Personality of the Year.
What a year she's had.
She's won 2 championships.
I think you should win because you are a World Cup winner.
Come on, 6-time world champion. He deserves it.
You are one of the top footballers in the world.
You are the 200-metre world champion, and you are also the first British woman to win a major global sprint title.
You led Wales to a Six Nations Grand Slam victory.
1 European Indoor Championship and a World Heptathlon title, which was obviously a very special moment.
You've had one of the most amazing performances in the World Cup final.
Your bravery that you've shown to stand up for what you believe in. You know, you're a true role model.
Come on, he has to be in pole position.
You're a legend, mate, and you got my vote.
She's the GOAT.
Remember to vote for Ben Stokes for your Sports Personality of the Year.
Please vote for Kat for BBC Sports Personality of the Year.
Make sure you vote for Raheem Sterling.
Vote for Dina Asher-Smith.
Everyone should vote for Alan on the night.
Vote for Lewis Hamilton on the 15th of December.
7 o'clock on BBC. Nice one.
Good luck.